Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Welcome to Lifers. Here is our next plant species, the Mayapple. This species can be found in the eastern United States and southeastern Canada. The entire plant is toxic to humans, except for the ripened fruit, which can be eaten in small quantities. Sometimes a jelly is made from it. An entire colony stems from one root system, and they are ephemeral. They only last maybe a few weeks, and then they're gone. My favorite part about this plant is the little flower that hangs underneath.